I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy, and we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Today we're going to make some flavored cream cheese. I know at the store you can go buy packages of garden veggie or sweet like cream cheeses, but we wanted to show you how we Thrivealize ours. And I'm going to make a savory one, and
I'm going to do a sweet.
So what I basically did, just a matter of saving some time, I took these 3 ingredients. I took kale and carrots and then some green onions, and I blended it into a coffee grinder just to get that fine consistency in the powder. But I will add a few extra green onions with mine, with a little bit of garlic and some chef's choice. So I'll mix that up. And
Are you going to use the green onions or just the regular
green,
like chopped onions?
I'm doing green.
Okay, green.
Just because I wanted some color.
Okay, so that's your bowl.
Thank you.
Yes, and this is my bowl.
Are we doing it together, or do you want me to do it? You do. We'll do it together.
Well, I can watch.
You do yours.
Okay.
Well, that's a lot. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's quite.
It'll be very green, but it's very gardeny.
All right, so I'm just getting the freeze dry. I'm gonna actually crush them just with the back of my knife. So there are some big chunks in there. And then we'll have some powder in there too. How you doing, Kathy? Is that bowl too small?
We did pick small bowls. It's okay, it's working.
All right.
Oops, I'm being a little bit messy. You'll see too once you start mixing it.
All right.
I like making my own as much as I can, because then you know what you're putting into it.
Yeah.
And you could really flavor it however you want. If you want a garlic one, or if you want to put corn in there, sweetness of corn. Corn cream cheese. Okay, that sounded
That's
weird.
Kathy's style. This is quite messy.
It is.
I love like strawberry cream cheese on a blueberry
bagel.
Ooh,
I like this garden one on with just a veggie sandwich, or even like a turkey sandwich.
That color's nice.
I know, right?
You're gonna put more green. Are you gonna put some
I'm
other
gonna
stuff
put
in it?
yeah, I did.
I'm still mixing. I'm still going at it.
Okay. And I'm just gonna put a few green onions in there. I did put some green onions in the mix, but I like just to have some bigger chunks in there as well.
This looks delicious. So I guess you could put some like taco flavoring in there if you wanted.
That's as weird as my corn.
Oh my goodness. Now this one looks delicious.
Yes, very delicious. So yours is the sweet. You can do it with any of the berries. And this is the garden one, which is with the veggies. And you can see the carrots in there. Once you let it sit for a little bit, it'll just meld those flavors into the cream cheese. It tastes amazing.
Wow.
I know, right? So
Yeah,
good.
I'd like to try that one.
The carrots might need a little bit of time, because some of the carrots weren't as fine, but
You put the seasoning in?
I put the garlic salt, but I didn't
Wow.
add this.
Try it.
I've tried it before. I like it.
That's really good.
It is really good. Very garden fresh.
Mhm.
So, 2 different cream cheeses.
If you have any comments below, or if you have any suggestions for us, then
We like ideas.
Yeah, leave it in the comments.
And remember to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you can see when we post the next video.
And give us thumbs up.
And remember,
You can do this too.
I'm like, don't leave me hanging.